Welcome to week 2. I am recording this a little bit earlier than I planned because some of you have already finished what's due for week 1. So first of all, thank you. Congratulations. And I don't want you to have to wait on me to explain what's coming up next. So here we are. Before I get into specifically week 2, I wanted to tell you that your syllabus has been updated. So updated as of August 19th. It's one small change, but I wanted to point it out while I have you. So here it is. It's in the calendar. And please know that the end of your syllabus is the course calendar. And if you have a question about due dates, check here first. Okay, check here first. So week 1, check that off. Week 2, we are about to talk about. And then the changes in week 3, which I know we're getting a little bit ahead. But what's here in yellow has been edited, and just in short, you're going to get me your rough draft in a different way than I had planned originally. That's it. The week 3 video, we'll talk about it more specifically. Okay, so let's talk about week 2. So let's actually start here. The calendar says complete this repeating versus thinking, summary versus analysis lesson on Moodle by midnight tonight. Ooh, excuse me. And then in the middle of the week, we've got 2 episodes to listen to from our podcast. And then by Friday, by midnight, you've got forum number 2, so a post and 1 response. This is a lot like week 1, right? You have something to do at the beginning of the week. The middle of the week, you have podcast episodes to listen to. And then by Friday, you have to do something with all of it, right? So let's see what that actually looks like on Moodle. So we're coming back over to our class. I've got week 1 closed, right? You can see over here on the right-hand side which week we're in. So week 1, check that off. Week 2. All right, so here is the actual lesson that you will complete. Click on that, move through it. There are a few questions, but it's for you to learn, so it's not connected directly to a grade. I can see that you completed it, however, and it will weigh on your participation grade, which goes for all of the lessons throughout the semester on Moodle. And then step 2 is to listen to those 2 episodes, just like the calendar told us. So, if you have not heard the song Jolene by Dolly Parton, or honestly, even if you have, I definitely recommend watching this video and listening to it while these guys listen to it. I love it. And then on Friday, here is a forum. It's set up the exact same way as forum number 1 from week 1, but just a different task. That's it. So forum number 2 ties together all the stuff from this week. So it ties together this lesson, and it ties together the podcast episodes. And so then you have to show me what you've learned by Friday. Okay? I believe that's it. That covers all of week 2. As always, please email me if you have any questions. And remember that we have this forum right here. Right here. Have a question, ask it here. And I will be checking this. I check it every day to make sure that no questions go unanswered or go sitting there for too long. And remember to check your calendar, check your syllabus, look on Moodle, and then reach out.